Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're making custard ice cream. This is perfect for the hot weather and so easy to make. Let's get started. You need some custard powder, some powdered milk, sugar and vanilla. To a bowl, add 1 cup of powdered milk and half cup of sugar. Add half cup of water. You may decide to use 1 cup of water. Mix properly till well combined. Make sure there is no lumps. Go ahead and transfer to a pot. You are going to cook this. Stir properly while on heat. Keep stirring till it starts to thicken. Adding more water to the powdered milk and sugar mixture makes cooking time longer. Immediately it starts to thicken like this, turn off the heat. The longer you leave it on heat, the thicker it gets. Take out of heat and let it cool down. It's well cooled now and it's thickened up. Here we have our homemade condensed milk. Let's make the custard. To a separate bowl, add 1/3 cup of custard and 1/3 cup of water. Mix properly till well mixed. If not well mixed, you might end up with a lumpy custard. After mixing, go in with boiling hot water. Add the water and stir in the process. Keep stirring and keep adding water till it starts to thicken. When it starts to thicken, stop adding water and keep stirring and it will thicken even more. Our custard is ready. To a separate bowl, add 1 cup of powdered milk and 1 cup of water and mix properly till well mixed. Keep that aside. Here's the condensed milk, the custard, and the milk and water mixture. To a separate bowl, add in the custard. Go in with the milk mixture and add in the condensed milk. You can see it's thickened up even more. Go ahead and mix properly till well mixed. After mixing, go in with a teaspoon of vanilla and mix till well combined. We'll be using these disposable cups. You can use any cups of choice. Also these bags. Transfer our custard mixture into the cups. Put in the popsicle sticks. Cover and refrigerate overnight till well frozen. These are the ones in the nylon. We are also going to freeze this. It's all frozen now and I'll just take it out of the cups. You might want to let yours stay more frozen, but I and my kids couldn't wait to have them. This tasted so good. If you have never tried this, please do. And it's so easy to make and it tasted so amazing. Please like, subscribe and maybe leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.